Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to use the alternating color function of Element spreadsheet. Let's say you have a large table like this one that you would like to make easier to read. We'll go into the spreadsheet edit mode, and on top of the toolbar, look for the alternating color widget. Now select any color you like, let's say yellow. And there you go, the feature is applied all over your sheet. Note that this feature gives priority to your other formatting effects applied to the cells. For instance, we could make the first row a heading row and have a white background applied to the last columns. Now let's see how it looks. Much better, right? Anyway, if you want to remove the effect, just click on the widget again and select Remove Alternating Colors. To try for yourself, you can find the links to the app and documentation in the description. Thank you for watching.